Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. Guys, today I create text animation with using sound effector tool. So firstly guys, I take cube and cube size take only 5 centimeter, 5, 5 and 5. Closer and make editable this cube. Click here and change center axis. Guys, I go to mesh, axis center, go on Y position, take minus 100% and execute check. See, my center pivot is here. After that guys, I take cloner, go to MoGraph and use cloner. Select this cube and make child with cloner. Select cloner and mode. I use grid array and count. Count take 30 and second count take 0 and third count take 30. See, I go to display, select shading lines. But guys, change size. Again select cloner, size decrease like 150 centimeter, second size take 0 and third size take same 150. There's my grid. Yeah, good. And after that guys, I apply sound effector. So select this cloner. I go to MoGraph, effector, use sound and go to here, soundtrack, load sound. See guys, this is my music file and import and up. Yeah, good. Go to back and play. Actually sound decrease, play. Right guys, change deci take 20% and strength I take 120%. I go to parameter, position uncheck and scale size check. Y axis take only 1 and go to back and play. Right, I increase frame like 600 and now guys I apply random. So select cloner, I go to MoGraph, effector, use random, same position uncheck and scale size check. Y scale size this time take 5 and absolute scale check. Go to back and play. Right, so stop guys. I go to effector and mode, use noise and animation speed decrease like 75% and back and play. See guys, there's my animation and now I apply text. Guys, I use plain text. I type only S letter, S. Alignment take middle. Font, I use Arial Black. This is bold and thick font. Rotate. Minus 90 degree. And guys, I go to top view panel. And go to align on this cubes. I go to perspective view and I use extrude. Guys, select this text and make child with extrude. Select extrude and movement all take 0 and go to mid. This is my Y axis, increase like 100 centimeter. Yeah, good. And now guys, I use bull. Select this cloner hub, select cloner and extrude and make child with bull. Select bull and high quality uncheck and bull type use A instead B. See guys, this is really good. Guys, if your system configuration is better, you can check high quality and create single object check. Yeah, but I uncheck all. And now guys, again select this sound effector and copy. The shortcut command is press Ctrl C and V. I go to cloner, go to effector, select sound 1, drag and drop in effector. So go to sound 1, fall off, shape, I use pair and decrease size. Yes, little bit smaller. Yeah, great. Go to here and guys, again I go to parameter. This time y-axis I take only 2 and play. Actually guys, my system getting slow. And again last time select cloner, go to MoGraph, use delay and go to effector mode. I use spring and spring strength take 70%. Go to back and again play. Okay, and now guys, I apply material. I go to create and load material. This is material and open. Guys, apply yellow material on cloner and blue material on bull. This is my side surface. And now I use Cinema 4D Studio Light. Go to merge, select light and open. Go to front view panel. Select flow and background. Yeah, it's attach. Good. And guys, camera angle like this. Little bit back. Yeah. Set camera angle. Select camera and lock this camera angle. Right click Cinema 4D tag and use protection. And now guys, animation is finished. I go to render setting, output, use full HD frame, frame and all, anti. Guys, I use this time JPEG sequences. This is my save file path. Create folder as text, take any file name and go to anti. I select only geometry and ambient occlusion, maximum SAMP increase 128 and accuracy use 100%. Guys, use global illumination, SAMP. If your system configuration is better, you can use medium, otherwise take low. All is good, close. And lastly guys, set light, select this light over at softbox, go in mid and little bit up, little bit. Yeah, great. Last time play. Okay, go to render and press OK. So guys, my tutorial is finished. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file, link in description. Thank you.